Guys, today I want to share a secret that many traders don't tell you guys, okay? And this is the only channel where you will see this, okay? So I'm going to share with you the secret behind trading a support and resistance trading strategy. And this is the best video you have to watch. So mainly you have to do this on 1 hour time frame. That is what worked for me best, okay? You have to work this on 1 hour time frame or the 4 hour time frame. But I like the 1 hour time frame because I like to trade daily. Okay, I'm a day trader, but I used to trade based on swings. Okay, swings in the market. Okay, so when I trade for the day and the swing is still active for the next day, I leave the trade or I hold the trade to the next day. Okay, so the first thing you have to do is go to the 1 hour time frame. So this is a Euro USD. Okay, I'm going to do this example on Euro USD, and you have only few things to spot out in order to get a trading signal. So this is a very simple way to trade. Okay, so don't waste your time. First thing first, make sure this video is a financial it's not a financial advice, but rather educational content and for entertainment purpose only. It's not a financial advice. Take note of it. So quickly, when you are on a 1 hour time frame, you have to zoom out to see the bigger picture. So you can realize when we zoom out, we see this is forming like a head and shoulder, but that is not what matters for us. But the bigger picture is telling you that this market is consolidating. Okay, so it's consolidating and having a net gain. But when you zoom out this, you will realize that, or the reason why you view this out or zoom it out is because to see the higher swing points which are obvious to you to mark. So quickly, let's take our drawing tool. Okay, let's bring our drawing tool. So we pick the horizontal line. Okay, let's go with the horizontal line. Where's my horizontal line? Okay, so we go with the horizontal line. And then we are going to draw the obvious one. So you can just do this quickly. When you struggle to spot it out, meaning it's not a zone. So quickly, I have this, I have this, and I also have this. I'm done. Okay, I'm done. Only three spots that I see as a support and resistance level. So quickly, we are now coming to adjust it as a zone. You can't draw it at a single line, so it's a zone. So quickly, the top one have to go with the horizontal bar. That is what I use to draw that particular one, the horizontal bar to draw this. Let's locate the horizontal bar. Okay, a triangle bar. So I want to locate this quickly. I added them to this, but I don't know where it's disappear. But let me locate it. Let me locate it and then show you the exact drawing. Okay. I don't know why this disappear and I'm not finding it again. So quickly, here is the rectangle zone here. So we have to adjust this. So we take it from here. Okay, we pick all these two zones. All right, good. So we are concerned about extending it to where? To the right side than the left side because this is where price is coming now. So we have to extend it to the right side. Okay, good. So that is what we have, and we have to bring it down. So why did I do it like this? I'm taking this point here and then this point here. So let's go with the next one right here. So the next one is here. Okay, so you must do it to touch both lines right here. Okay, here is in, this one is also in, and here is also in. So extend to the right side as well. Okay, sorry for that. Let's extend. Good. So we have to let it occupy this area. So the last one, you can see this one is a truly a full bar. So we can go with this particular one here. So it's from here up to here. Okay. So we take it like this. Good. So after you draw all this line, after you draw all this line, you see the one that I spot here is a minor zone. Okay, it's a minor zone, but you can extend it and treat it as one zone. But there is a way we do it. There is a way we do this. So I'll always teach all this in my mentorship. So as you have this, so now you have marked the possible important area or areas in the market now. So the only thing you need now is entry. So I always say that entry is the only thing that when you get it in the forex market, then you are done with everything. It's not even the strategy, it's the entry strategy. Okay, somebody can be using support and resistance strategy, somebody can be using Fibonacci strategy, but we all have different entries. So if your entry is 90% above, then you are the top notch in the market. So I have my own entry that I teach. So some use candlestick entry, some use indicator entry, some use uh, order block entry on a lower time frame. But I have my own strategy that I use to do this. I have indicator base and also the candlestick base. So if you want to learn this, let me know at the comment section. Okay, I will teach this for free. Make sure you join my Telegram channel as well. So we have this. So market is in this area. So this is the question you ask yourself. If you see your entry criteria being met at this zone as a buying, then you have to buy. So if you didn't see your entry criteria, then this market is telling you, I'm going to break. Let me take it again. This is a support zone. So market have to bounce back from here to the upside. Okay, now market is in the zone, but you are not seeing your entry criteria being met. Then what is this market telling you? I'm going to break. But if you see your entry criteria being met, meaning market is going to shoot up. This is the simple way. This is the simple way to trade support and resistance. So this is the secret that I want to tell you. So recap, you have to zoom out the market and then drop the possible zone that your eye can spot quickly. Second thing is to adjust the zone to be a zone, not a single line. Okay, third thing is to depend on your entry criteria. That is the only three things that you have to use to master the support and resistance trading strategy. Nothing else. If you want to know more about support and resistance strategy or my entry criteria, make sure you join my live section. I'll start doing a live on YouTube that I'll show all this in live market. If I'm showing you on how did offline right now, you will not get it. I have to be in live market. That is why I can't expose the entry criteria right here. But when I start coming live, I'll show you guys my entry criteria and we would be trading live together. If you love this, make sure you smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and wait for me. Let's learn together. Goodbye and see you in my next trading tutorial tomorrow.